Okay, thank you. So, in this lesson, the bond of love, I had told you about introduction. Can anyone brief me out? Just 2 or 3 points. I'm not asking for long detail of 10 paragraph summary. In short, 2 or 3 lines. What do you remember about this lesson? Because
Sir,
it
what?
was.
The bond of
Yes,
love.
yes, yes. Are you speaking?
Sir, to be honest, in the past lecture, I was not
Yeah.
serious. Like, I was not
No
attending.
problem. Okay.
I'm being
Okay,
honest.
okay.
It
No,
was
it's
my
okay.
fault.
It is good.
So,
Hmm. No, it's okay that you realize that is big thing. Anyone else? Can you tell me some points? And is there anyone else? Because if I will tell you the summary, I don't mind, but then I will think that I am starting the lesson all over again. So if anyone else will be able to tell me a few points, so I'll know that you remember the lesson in the background of your mind. So I don't have to start all over again. Anyone? Zishan or Arman, 2 or 3 whoever are there, those who had also heard.
sir, something I remember was like, mm, can animal and a human be friends? Can be their
Hmm.
friends? Like,
Okay. Yes, it is about that lesson, the friendship between humans and animals. Anyway, I will tell you because first 1 till paragraph 10 we have read. So, in short, I will tell you here in this lesson, The Bond of Love, written by Kenneth Anderson. Kenneth Anderson, the narrator, brought a baby sloth bear as a pet for his wife. He has bought this baby bear as a pet for whom? For his wife. Remember the name Kenneth Anderson. So, uh, it so happened that 2 years ago, now see, 2 years ago, what happened? The author was passing through the sugarcane fields. Sugarcane, you know,
what, sir?
sugarcane.
Yeah, sugar cane, yeah. Sherry.
Yes, so author was passing through sugarcane fields 2 years ago with his companions in Mysore. He was in Mysore, where people were driving away wild pigs by shooting at them. वहाँ पे सब क्या कर रहे थे? There were wild pigs. Pig तो पता है ना? So people were driving these pigs away by shooting at them. They were shooting them with gun. Then what happened? While some escaped and a few got killed. So some pigs had escaped and some were killed on the spot. There was a black sloth bear who was spotted painting in the hot sun. That this sloth bear, which you can see over here, he was running, he was painting, he was not able to breathe properly in the hot sun. The narrator saw him, and the people over there were killing the pigs. Some were running, and some got killed. One of his companions, who was with the narrator, he killed the bear. Understood? One companion with the narrator, he killed the bear, and her baby was left living in pitiful state. So this baby bear was left. Now the baby was in a bad condition because mother was killed by by whom? By one
The
of the
companion.
companions
One of the
of
companion
the
of the
narrator. Yes.
narrator.
Okay. So narrator ran after it. Now narrator ran after this baby bear and brought it home to Bangalore. See, they were in Mysore and they brought it. He was so so pitiful. He had so much of love for the pets. He had so much of love for animals. Maybe you can say that he brought this baby bear from Mysore to Bangalore. Know how much distance? Around 145 kilometers that I had told you before also. So how did they bring? They'll not bring it in a car or in a vehicle just like that, like a dog or cat. They brought it in a gunny bag. Gunny bag, pata hai no? Kothada, like that, in which grains are also stored.
Yes.
Gunny bag. So, when the baby bear came home, what happened? The wife was delighted. Narrator's wife. She was delighted. She was happy. She put a colorful ribbon like the ribbon you already know, colorful ribbons are there. She put that around his neck and she gave the name to this baby bear Bruno, as he was a male cub. He was a male, not female. He was a male cub. Cub means the child of the bear, baby bear. Bruno naam diya. And with no time, Bruno started drinking milk. What did Bruno do? He started drinking milk from the bottle like babies drink. Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay. So he started drinking milk from the bottle. He also began eating porridge, as I had told you, khichdi. He started eating porridge, vegetables, fruits, nuts, meat, curry, rice, bread, egg, chocolate, sweets, ice creams, all these things he started eating.
Sir,
Then
porridge means
he
milk
also,
what?
I told you, खिचड़ी वो खिचड़ी जैसा आता है. It is just like mixture of that this rice and they are crushed. Khichdi in short, you can say.
Okay, okay, sir.
So he started eating all these things. These names also you have to remember. They are given in paragraph 6 if you can see. All these things he started eating. And porridge is like breakfast meal. Mostly is a breakfast में खाते हैं वो. And and what else? See, he also drank tea,
Pudding
coffee.
means
What?
pudding means
Oh, yeah, your voice is not audible.
pudding means
Pudding, pudding. I will show you. It is like. Have you heard about caramel pudding? Sweet है वो.
no.
Sweet आता है. I'll show that. I'll show
Which
the
sir?
image. Then you'll understand. Pudding, pudding. I'll show that image. You will come to know that. And in liquid, what did he drink? Milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water. Aerated water means what? Aerated water. Fresh, freshen. Like aquaguard we have.
Okay.
And he also drank buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor, almost anything that was liquid. He drank all these things. He also became very attached. To whom? To whom did he get
Author.
attached?
Author.
Author. Not
No.
author, someone
Dog.
else. Yes,
Dog.
which dogs? Which?
Authors to dog.
Paragraph 7 it is given. Yes. Alsatian dogs. They were Alsatian dogs. Can you see over here?
Yes.
And I told you, Alsatian dogs means what? Which kind of dogs? Police dog.
Yes.
So there were two Alsatian dogs with the author, and he got attached to these two dogs. One second, I'll rejoin. One second, I'll have to. Well, I'm getting a call. Just a second.
Mm.